happy you're here. My name is Riyan. Welcome back to my channel. Guess what time it is? It is Vlogmas time. This is day 6 of Vlogmas and possibly, mostly, well yeah, it is the last day of Vlogmas. This is so sad, you guys. I'm really gonna miss doing this. It is currently 1 p.m. I am uploading today's vlog. Oh, by the way, stop it. Merry Christmas. I did not wake up looking like this on Christmas. I'm going for lunch with my friends. It's gonna be super fun. It's a Christmas lunch. And we're just trying to figure out how much to dress up, which is why the group is going off. Anyway, let's go do my makeup. I feel like I'm looking so incomplete without it, and maybe I might need to change my top, but I don't even want to. I love this. I just need to add music to this. Oh, haul ka karna hai? हाँ, कर ले. Just realized that my hair needs some fixing. I feel like I am getting better at the slick back thing, but that doesn't mean I'm good at it. I'm just getting better than the catastrophe that I was earlier. See? I'm doing something wrong. Okay, I think I know what it is. Ouch. Nice. Quick makeup. Concealer. Okay, I'll just use this because it came in my hand. This is the MAC Studio Radiance concealer. It's pretty good. It's just not exactly the shade that I would like it to be. It's a little bit lighter. NARS Spot Concealer. Anyway, some brightening under the eyes is not the worst thing ever, you know. I forgot to put sunscreen. Wait, what? This can't be happening. What should I do? Should I just continue? I'm just gonna continue. You know what? One day out of every other day in the year is okay. Like, I get a pass. Oh my god, my skin is feeling weird. A struggle whenever I do this to my hair. I feel like now I might have to fix it again. Like, look at this. I guess it doesn't have to be perfect. It can be a messy high ponytail, but then it has to be messy from everywhere. It can't be perfect from one side and messy from one side. And Ronaldo from one side, get it? Messy. Okay, I need to stop. I am ready. You guys, I love this outfit. It is so like me-coded, solid colors. And also this bag, it is green. Wait. With like these ruffles on it. And my top and the bag are both suede. It's just looking so cute. Also, my hair is messier than before and I think I like the messy look a lot more. I know my neck is looking a little bare, but I don't know why. I feel like I don't want to clutter it. Let's go. I gave you my heart. This the season. I think Sakshi's back, you guys.
It's been so long.
Yeah, it's literally been so long.
So I was away filming Splitsvilla, but now I'm back in action, back in the Bay.
Yeah.
And guys, we're at this crazy restaurant.
Yeah, oh my god, look at it. Stop, just look at it. It is so pretty. This doesn't feel like Bombay now for some reason.
It doesn't.
Yeah.
Also, guys, because I've been away for so long and time has gone so quickly because of how much work I had, I didn't realize it's already Christmas time.
Yeah, don't cry, oh my god.
Yeah.
Say hi. Yeah. And first time. And the girl, when I entered, she told me that I am pretty and I straight back holding. She's so nice, bro.
Guys, I didn't know it was I'm pretty. This is fancy as hell.
So you guys, Malu got all of us gifts from Dublin, like just because she was coming back for absolutely no reason. But she got us like a lot of stuff and she like personalized it for everyone. Sakshi hasn't gotten hers yet, so Malu is gonna give her hers now.
I got you and Ria belly chains.
Wait, so this comes featuring?
Yeah, on your back.
Like I'm stamped.
I got everyone a top and a bag.
And obviously Sakshi's is hot pink.
Hot pink.
I love it. Guys, everyone who knows me knows I love myself some leopard print.
I love it, thank you. I also have something. Merry Christmas. Oh, hi. Merry Christmas.
Let's start one at a time.
Okay, you start.
Yeah, okay,
Carrot
Sakshi.
mask.
Yes.
Antioxidant and moisturizing. And everyone knows I need some of that.
I've like really customized it to each person's liking.
What I need is some Laneige. Guys. Oh my god, I needed that so bad.
Bathing.
I love me some purple blush.
Sakshi's going home with so many gifts today.
Yeah.
Happy, I'm so happy. Love you.
It's unnecessarily.
Ooh, it's the matcha one. Recently.
For no.
But I'm still a coffee girl. I'm
Okay, yeah, good.
not. Rare beauty blush.
Because now she puts makeup.
Yeah.
Else.
I got the same thing Sakshi did.
Yeah.
What flavor did you get?
Alright, just randomly
You got
pour.
grape. I got carrot. Thank you so much. Wow. Lip gloss, bro.
Yeah.
I have wanted this.
You have it already?
I have wanted this.
Oh, okay.
And
For your lip treatment.
spinach.
Face Shop face mask, like a peel off mask.
Wow. Ugly, lovely. So cute, Yari. I love it. Is this a blush?
Yes. Nude Sticks by Nykaa.
I don't care anymore.
Yeah, na? Yay, I'm so happy. Say. I'm like multitasking. Crispy calamari.
Is it good?
You want it now?
Yeah.
Cheers. Sakshu, take one. One singular one.
You're having squid? This is yeah, that's what I literally was asked. I was just gonna ask.
That looks gorgeous.
My food baby has come. Oh my god.
It's so yum. They gave us shawls because this is a Switzerland themed restaurant and it's actually really cold. None of us dressed for the cold.
Yeah.
Shiny though. It looks good, huh?
Riya, come
Yeah.
a little ahead so she can go behind you.
Shout out Kiko. Give Ria more free stuff so she gives me all this.
Guys, remember my gross bitch of a pimple here? Even Malu has one. I have one and it's not going. Same, even mine's not going.
Mine's been here for like a good 2 months. It's
Not 2 months, but like the last week. The whole week of
the
Vlogmas.
thing is, it's not like coming out. Like
You know what you should use? That Benzac pimple patch. I
Probably
concealed
wanted
it
to
today.
meet its pimple buddy before leaving.
Let's give them names. What should we call it?
Sonu and Titu.
Wait, what?
Dolu and Holu.
Can I be Bolu?
Sonu and Titu was better.
Yeah, Sonu and Titu is cute.
Yeah. Who do you want to be?
Titu.
Okay, I'll be Sonu.
Yeah, cool. Just because, you know, peak girlhood. Should I take that angle?
Ria, you didn't take me in O5.
I'll take you on her side.
She didn't take me in O5. She just took ordinary pics of me.
What, Robin?
Ordinary pics of me.
Now we don't know what happened.
Love the vibes.
Why are you doing
I don't know what setting this is on.
a nice
So pretty. Like, wow, what is this? I know.
What the
I know. This is going in the vlog. Yeah. So cute. Back in the car with my bougie partner. Oh my god, guys, look at these cups. This is what I'm living for. Why is this so cute? Just handed my car over to Madhav to make him drive the rest of the week.
That's fine. No problem. Just woke up from a nap. I'm a bit dazed.
Yeah, he's off for Christmas. Give it up, give it up, give it up. My Christmas. Chalna, open it now.
Guess.
Yeah, guess what it is.
This is not the Stanley.
No,
How can it be this?
that's obviously not the Stanley, bro.
Oh!
Whoa, thank you. I really appreciate that. What? I was not expecting that at all. Thank you so much.
It's from both my parents, huh? Like, it's from my...
Both my parents?
It's from my parents.
Like, do you have another set? Please let me know.
This is sick. Thank you so much.
Oh, okay, I mean, let me check the frame.
Padika. What can it be? Oh!
Okay, nice. Yay! Yay! Oh, thanks. I actually had no idea. When did you get this? Oh, you know the gift? Oh, even you knew they got me a gift, but you didn't tell me anything. That's crazy. Oh, these are those earrings.
Which earrings?
Yeah, the pictures here. Wait, did you all talk about this?
Yeah,
Yeah.
I'll tell you the whole story.
We'll tell you.
Let's just see.
Oh my god. So pretty.
And the bracelet of this has come. It's for 27,000 rupees only.
Oh.
It's come out now. So actually, the fact is, if the vlog needs to hear this, please follow, subscribe, share, and like, because
This was a
I
200k
bought this
gift.
for 200k. But it's not hitting 200k.
Guys, we are 199, 198k since so long. Please get me to 200k after Vlogmas.
Like, share, subscribe.
Please.
Yeah.
Oh my god. You know, yeah, literally yesterday or day before yesterday in the morning, mom was like, I didn't know you could drop followers on YouTube also. I was like, yeah, you can drop. अच्छे लग रहे हो. Guys, I have come to the parlor to get my nails removed because I want to go into 2026 looking clean. And also I got my nails done in Bangkok. I don't know if you all remember, but they did a terrible job and this nail is like completely broken. Its thumb is hurting so much, so I want to take it off ASAP. And Rani's gonna remove it for me. ये क्या decoration लगाया है Christmas के लिए? Pink. उसका भी हिंदी अच्छा नहीं है. मेरा भी better हो गया है ना?
इससे
Oh,
ज़्यादा अच्छा है.
yours is not better than mine. Talk in Hindi.
रिया को मैंने हिंदी सीखी.
Yeah, literally.
उसको कुछ नहीं आता है. घर पे भी दीदी को बोल रही है, थैंक यू दीदी, कैन यू डू दिस फॉर मी?
नहीं.
सही बोला उन्होंने, आपसे अच्छी हिंदी है.
उसका? नहीं.
वो एक्सेप्ट ही नहीं करेगी कि मेरा उससे
नहीं.
सच में
अभी मैं
अच्छी है.
आती हूँ 1-1 घंटे के लिए मैं आती हूँ तो मैं आपसे हिंदी में बात करती हूँ ना. So back home and we are about to watch a movie. We've also ordered in some food and look at the tree, you guys. It looks so good. Gorgeous. And then there's so many gifts down. It's just looking like super wholesome and nice. I just like love the vibes. That is our dinner. Wait, pause. Pizza, mac and cheese balls, salad. Yeah, that's it. Looks so good. Ordered from Pizza Express, by the way. Watching the movie Raid. It's not that interesting yet, but let's see. It is the end of this video. Unfortunately, it is also the end of Vlogmas. Honestly, my heart feels heavy even saying this. This year, I have enjoyed vlogging so much. Every vlog, every edit has been so close to my heart. And I feel like last year, maybe I struggled a little bit, but this year has been so rewarding. And honestly, your comments every single day on every single YouTube video have really kept me going. Like just reading how much y'all are enjoying and how much y'all are appreciating it and everything. I can't explain how much it means to me. And I'm not just saying this to say it, genuinely, like this last year and has been so hard for me to keep making content, because if you ask any content creator, feedback and validation and just, you know, seeing your audience have a good time, resonate with you, it's so important and it really does keep all of us going. And on my Instagram, I've been stagnant for so long, and I know I've always been told, and I keep reiterating it to myself as well, that numbers don't matter, it's the work you put in, it's the brand you're building. And obviously, even though all of that is true, it is so hard when you can feel your growth stopping, starting, all of that stuff. But I know that this is what I love doing. I know that when I read your comments. Nothing makes me feel better. So you guys have literally fully pumped me up for 2026. And YouTube, mark my words, the best platform to make content on. It is just such a great place to be, and I really do feel like myself. I feel so comfortable talking to you guys about everything, and like, honestly, I'm so happy. I know it's sad that Vlogmas is coming to an end, and I fully understand, trust me. Like, even when I watch my favorite YouTubers and stuff like that, I always feel sad because I'm like, oh, I wish there was more videos to watch. I wish there was more content. I wish they posted more often. So I fully understand where you guys are coming from. I've read all of your comments, and I'm definitely going to try to post a lot more on YouTube, not just once a week. And I obviously don't want you all to be sad about this, so we are going to end it on a high note with a giveaway, because what is the point of all this if we don't celebrate Christmas together? So 6 giveaways, 6 winners for the 6 days of Vlogmas that we have vlogged every day. The giveaway post will be going live very, very soon on my community tab on YouTube. You will see posts, you will see the mandates, you will see everything. I will also repost it on Instagram. And yeah, that's about it. Not me clapping for myself. I am just so proud of us. I'm so proud of you guys for being like the coolest, most supportive people on planet Earth. Like, I love you guys, and thank you for watching all of my drama and chatting and my shenanigans through the last few days. Also, I am not sure whether I will be uploading again before this year ends, because I might just take some time off to spend quality time with my family and my friends, and then maybe I'll see you all straight in 2026 January. So I just want to say that before the year ends, be kind to yourself. I just wanted to remind you that even if you did not complete all your goals for 2025, as long as you did something, as long as you felt some growth, it's good. And honestly, even if you didn't, this stagnancy before you feel the growth, because being stagnant, being confused, it is what makes you change things around you. It makes you change your habits, it makes you change your life, and that brings growth. So either way, it's a win-win, sis. So yeah, thank you so much. Oh, I feel like crying. Why am I so emotional? I don't know. If you watched till the end, thank you so much. I love you, and I will see you soon. Bye.